Hey guys, it's Anna here at Dee's with another really quick and easy Christmas tutorial. This one's really fun if you have a lantern. It's this beautiful berry lantern drop, and instead of having things kind of going up and down, it's just all kind of falling in the front, and it's perfect to add to the front of a lantern. You can also put it onto items you have at home that you use to decorate for Christmas. Maybe you have a big snowman or a big Santa that's kind of plain you want to add something to, or a reindeer. You could easily create this drop and then tie it to its neck and just make it a little bit more special. So for this one, we're gonna sell the kit like we normally do on shopdeeslouisville.com, and you're gonna follow along with this video, and it's super easy to make. So what is in the kit to start out with are 2 of these berry, and they have a little boxwood picks, and then 2 different ribbons, and you don't need a lot of ribbon for these, so this is perfect to grab a bunch of them. And the other thing they look really good on too is the backs of dining room chairs. So if you like those little details added, you could easily create this and hang it on the back of each dining room chair. So what you're going to start by doing is cutting the stems a little bit. You don't want to cut too much off, especially on this. You do want a little bit to stick up because your ribbon's going to go at the top. So just cut about 3 inches off each of those. With these berry boxwood picks, they don't require a lot of fluffing. You just want to kind of open it up a little bit, and the whole thing is wired, so it's super nice, easy to do. So I've opened that one up. I'm going to do the same thing over here, and I'm just going to kind of lay them one on top of each other. The reason why I did 2 is because I wanted it to be a little bit fuller like this, because I left the bow tails longer. So it's going to look something like this when you're done fluffing it and you're ready for your ribbon. So you're just going to set this aside. I did my ribbon a little bit differently on this. I kind of made more of a traditional bow with a little piece in the middle. So this one you're going to use a yard, but instead of having a tail going up, both your tails are going to come down. So what you want to do is leave yourself about 10 inches, pinch it, and make a very traditional shoestring bow. So you're just going to do like that. It's just going to be 2 loops, and you're going to leave that other side nice and long too. So as you can see, normally we have a little tail going up. We're not doing that on this one. We're just having them both come down so that it looks really nice. Then you're going to take the little piece of the red and white check, lay that right on top. And this doesn't take much at all. It takes about 1/3 of a yard. And it's just for an accent ribbon. So it's, as you can see, this project doesn't take a lot of ribbon. So it's a really nice, inexpensive way to decorate lots of things in your house. Take your wire, tie it right there where you hold it. Then you're going to tie this right on top. So I always like to pull at least one thing up on each side just to help secure it. So I'm going to pull berries up on both sides, and then that way the bow doesn't slide up off of the stems. I'm going to lay that bow right on there. Go around the back, tie it in a nice knot. Then you're just going to pull those 2 tails down and cut your ends. And as you can see, that was so quick and easy to do. Very simple, it just takes 5 minutes. You could even put these on presents too. But all you have to do now is use the wires that are still there and twist it onto anything you want. And again, this kit is gonna go up on shopdeeslouisville.com. It's called the Lantern Drop Kit. Go on there and grab it while we can.